Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Coursera, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.coursera.org and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the Join for Free button at the top right corner. Click on Join for Free to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Sign Up button. If you prefer, you can also sign up using a Google or Facebook account. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Coursera homepage and click on Login. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Now you are logged in and can start exploring the courses available. Browse through topics of interest or use the search bar for specific subjects. When you find a course that interests you, click on its title to learn more. Review the course details, including duration, syllabus, and instructor information. If you decide to enroll, click on the Enroll button. Select any payment options if required, or choose a free course. Once enrollment is complete, access the course from your dashboard. Begin your learning journey by clicking on the course and following the modules. Enjoy your time on Coursera and make the most of your learning experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.